Alright, well, we have another Ranger RCI-2970N2. This is for Scott in Utah, and this is his second radio. Second of 7. Alright, over high on the watt meter. See, all the way up, I got you set again for 60 watts, all the way down for 6 watts. Over on the peak reading meter.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
About 255, 260.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2.
Put it in sideband.
Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check.